How many more parts should be shaded in the figure B to make it the same fraction as the unshaded part in figure A? Fine, so let's think about this. Totally, let's say there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sectors in this, or 10 pizza slices in this. What is unshaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 10, or 3 by 5, is unshaded. Fine. Now let's think about figure B. How many should be shaded to take it to 3 by 5? So this is 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. Total number of pieces: 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25. Fine. 3 by 5 is unshaded in figure A. 3 by 5 should be shaded in figure B. And so number of shaded pieces divided by 25 should be 3 by 5. And so 3 by 5 is the same as what by 25? That's what we're thinking about. 5 5s are 25, so 3 5 should be 15. So in figure B, 15 triangles should be shaded for the unshaded portion in this to be equal to the shaded portion in this. Brilliant. So far so good. How many are actually shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are shaded out of 15, sorry, out of 25. We need to take it to 15 out of 25, or 6 to 15. 9 more have to be shaded. 6 plus what is equal to 15 is what is 9. 15 minus 6. So if we shaded 9 more triangles in figure B, the ratio of shaded, the fraction of shaded triangles in figure B will be 15 by 25, which is 3 by 5, which is nothing but the unshaded portion in figure A.